XL specialty is probably the complexity of the mold that we built.
We build a lot of molds that have complex actions, side actions, lifters, slides.
XL Tool Molds design isn't just your standard design. We provide the full 2D and 3D engineering. We design across our molds that the parts would be interchangeable. What that helps do is that if down the road the mold that we provided ends up needing spares, they can call us, we can build the spares and ship them, and we have no worry about them fitting into the tool.
Our lead times average between 14 to 16 weeks after the design is complete, and that is on a complicated multi-cavity tool also. It's not just open and close. I could probably get down to 10 weeks on an open and close high cavitation tool. I think the investment we take every year in putting advanced machinery and tooling into place lets us produce high cavitation molds in the same amount of time it used to take us to do 4 cavity molds. The Ozda, that's one of the most advanced machines I've come across in my career, capable of holding 1/10 day in, day out. It will do 100 parts exactly the same. We've really seen the benefits of having a machine like that, of the accuracy. So we bought another one, and there will be a robot in between them two loading both machines for unattended time. XL's EDM cell is fully robotic. So the work pieces are being fed in and out of the machine all by themselves, along with the tooling. So the intended time, we run 24/7 in that cell with robots.
At Excel, we have a molding facility where we run samples and troubleshooting for our customers' molds. And then we also run low volume production for our current customers. So we have a wide variety of capabilities, and then we do process development on all the new molds that come through, and even refurbishments as well.
So essentially we have, in-process inspection where you say if they're going to run 24 pieces, and if they're going to be at a tight tolerance, they will inspect that dimension every single time it comes off of the machine. We're just able to, hit every inspection number that we need to hit.
We don't have very many young guys in this trade right now, and we are definitely trying to remedy that, not only here at Excel, but helping our community by doing things outside of Excel to help that trade as well.
For the last 2-3 months, I put together what I feel is an advanced apprenticeship course, which is a 4-year program, 8,000 hours, and the student will be trained on the advanced equipment versus the apprenticeships of the past, of the engine lathes and drill presses. It seems like that's all that was out there.
Taking care of the customer is the most important thing. I mean, if it wasn't for the customers, we wouldn't have jobs. We wouldn't be doing what we're doing. And when things aren't going well, you need to do whatever that is, whatever it takes to make it go well.
And I think we still should even give them more attention. I think there's never enough attention to a customer.
User-friendly designs, trying to reduce the total cost of ownership.
We're trying to actually provide a customer service, not just use the word customer service for what we're providing.
Today we put an expansion on 21,000 square feet, which will take us up to 45,000 square feet.
We have some low volume production that we currently do for other customers, and we want to expand that. We want to go into some higher volume. Now that we have the warehouse space and the raw material space, we can move forward into the higher volume molding, bigger parts. We want a machine that we're molding around the clock, 24 hours a day, 3 shifts and 7 days a week even.
So hopefully now that, we're getting the award, we're getting the addition, we're just trying to put our name out there because we can do any type of work that you bring to the table. It's finding somebody that wants to believe in us.
I was just in awe for a little bit, thinking, wow, we really want it. That's something we did. We were always moving forward to be the best, and now we're there. We're at the top of our game, and you got to keep it up and stay at the top of your game. But everybody out there was excited also.
To have somebody else recognize all the work that you've put in, and a goal and a vision that you had that actually came to light, it's satisfying.
I was totally surprised, especially with the amount of effort that we put into it to answer all those questions, because they're not easy questions. They really dig into the fabric of what your company is made of, and that was really exciting for me to do that.
I thought this is awesome. This is great. This is going to be great for our company. We're going to get some exposure. It's a prestigious award that not everybody gets.
To get recognized like that out of all the mold shops in the United States, it was a real good feeling inside.
I really hope it opens some doors to us or opens other people's eyes as to what our capabilities really are. This is a phenomenal tool shop.
What makes us different is just our quality of work for what the difficulty of the projects that are brought to us are. We can do things that no other company out there can do.